What if 46 ka na, single, wala kang katuwang sa buhay, walang career, tapos isa ka pang juding? Ang tanong, may laban pa ba? Oh my mother, Jay. Parang wala namang choice, di ba? Ayoko pa namang mategi. Right now, I'm at the lowest point of my life. Rock bottom. Bottom? Yeah, I decided to document everything. Simula ngayon, sabay-sabay nating subaybayan kung kakayanin ko ba talaga ang life. Let's find out if a midlife gay man can still keep up with today's world. I'm making myself an spectator of my own life. Tingnan natin kung ubra ba mga strategy ko, kung may sense ba yung mga choices ko, kung may sense ba talaga ako. Sana naman. So please like, follow, and subscribe. This is your new friend, ang Beking Wale Chronicles. Bye!